One of the most important things that every single piano player needs to know is how to set up the perfect piano practice. And the reason for this is it'll keep you motivated and it will keep you learning. And many of us get confused about what we should be doing when we sit down at the piano. So here are 5 elements to the perfect piano practice. Number 1, warm up. Sit down at the piano bench and take some deep breaths and arrive. And then warm up those fingers. You can use a hand independence exercise, or my personal favorite, pick an easy song that you know really well and see how fast you can play it while staying in control. Warming up is going to help to loosen up those fingers, help you mentally arrive at that piano bench, and set you up for success in the rest of your practice. So you should be spending at least 3 to 5 minutes on your warm-up. Number 2 is technique. Now, technique is extremely important, and I know many of us don't love working on our scales, but having a solid technique is setting the stage for being able to play anything you want to play. The better your technique is, the better player you will become. I like to pick a major key and its relative minor to work on each time I practice. I'll run through my scales, my triads, and my arpeggios in these keys, and get creative with the tempo. You can go fast, you can go slow, play with staccato, legato, crescendo, decrescendo. Try to get creative so that it stays fun and engaging, but most of all, definitely practice your technique. Number 3 is sight reading. Now, I will be the first to admit that I don't love to sight read, but it is so useful and it can also be therapeutic. So each practice, pick a short piece of music that is very simple, play it through 3 to 5 times, and then move on. This will help you to develop your sight reading skills, and you'll be feeling really good because you will be winning every time. Number 4 is repertoire. So this is the core of your practice time. This is where you develop the songs that will help you to identify yourself as a piano player. Pick pieces that you are passionate about. I always have one easy song on the go and one really challenging song on the go. Find what you do like, be it a blues improv or a piece of classical, and spend time each day developing the pieces that you are going to perform for yourself and the world around you. Last but not least is playtime. So end your practices on a high note and work on something that is just fun, that doesn't feel like work. Play something that you've mastered previously, improv for a little bit, and color outside the lines. Don't play with the metronome, just have fun and have no judgment of what you're doing. If you leave your practices on a high note and you feel really good about what you've just played, it'll leave you wanting to come back for more the next day. If you want even more inspiring content to help you learn to play the songs that you love, please visit us at pianote.com. We will make sure that you never wonder what to practice, and you'll have access to hundreds of lessons that cover all the styles and will teach you everything you need to know to be amazing at the piano. So tell me, what is your practice routine like? What do you do each time you sit down at the piano? Leave a comment below. There you have it, the 5 elements to a perfect piano practice. Happy playing!